Why does airflow change when I replace a filter? Airflow changes because the filter controls how easily air can pass through your heating and cooling system. A clean filter usually lets more air move because its fibers are open and not covered with dust, pet hair, or other particles. A dirty filter creates extra resistance, almost like trying to breathe through a thick blanket. However, replacing a filter does not always increase airflow because a new filter may be thicker, denser, or designed to catch smaller particles. Filters with higher minimum efficiency reporting value ratings trap more pollution, but they also need the system's fan to work harder. The filter must also fit correctly because gaps around the edges let dirty air bypass the filter and can cause dust to build up inside the equipment. A filter installed backward can reduce performance since the filter's stronger support side is meant to face the incoming air. Check the arrow printed on the frame and point it toward the furnace or air handler. One lesser-known issue is that a very restrictive filter can make the indoor coil freeze or cause the furnace to overheat, so poor airflow can damage equipment instead of simply making rooms uncomfortable. A common mistake is choosing the thickest or highest rated filter without checking what the system can handle, so use the size and rating recommended by the equipment manufacturer. Another mistake is assuming weak airflow always means the filter is dirty, when blocked ducts, closed dampers, a dirty indoor coil, or a failing fan can cause the same symptom, so have the whole system checked if a new filter does not help. Some people also replace filters only when they look completely gray, but homes with pets, construction dust, or allergies may need more frequent changes, so inspect the filter monthly and replace it when it is visibly loaded. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.